Hello everybody, welcome to our Amazon storefront. My name is Maggie. This is my husband Garrett. Today we're going to be doing our review on this electric bike. It goes up to 37 miles per hour and it has a 26-inch fat tire and also a 7-speed and 6-layer full suspension. You do have to put some parts together, but it was fairly simple. The battery is removable and it's also a lithium-ion battery. Once we finished putting it together, we had to charge it for about 12 hours, which is the recommended time. We had a lot of fun working on this project together and he can't wait to try it. So please stay tuned for his review on how to ride the bike.
Review on this electric bike. As you might have seen earlier, I went up and down our block, going a variety of different speeds, which is really cool. Very easy to set up, get everything ready to go. Literally, if you look over here, very easy from a functioning standpoint. You have the lights, which turn on over here when you're ready. You also have a horn to announce that you're there. As you can see over here, it's very simple. You have the power on, which you push right here, the lights. As you can see right here, it says pass 1. You can go down to 0, which means no speed at all. Pass 1 basically means the speed of which the electric bike is going. It goes all the way up to 5. Pass 1 caps out at about 9.6 miles per hour. Pass 5 goes to 25.6 miles per hour. So it really can give you some really fast movement and really haul, which shows all up here on this interesting thing. Shows how many miles you've gone, the trip odometer, max speed, the average speed. Over on this side, you have gears to really help navigate. The beauty of this is it's a simple, like cranking a motorcycle, to really go fast, slow down. You have the brakes, which work incredible, and it's really easy to use. Once you get it all set up, you have the easy plug-ins. You literally just turn it on, charge it for the 12 hours recommendation, and start going. Highly recommended. It's a ton of fun. Thank you. Hey.
How was it?
Excellent. A lot of fun.